Welcome to Scrape Genius. How to use the Instagram scraper. First, visit the Instagram scraper section, enter your preferred keyword and city. Now click on Add button followed by the Start button to begin the process. After a short time, you'll start receiving data such as phone numbers, email addresses, followers, posts, and more. Once the initial process is complete, you can extract additional data like websites, emails, and phone numbers by clicking the Open Browser button, then clicking on the Deep Extractor button. After a few moments, additional data will begin to appear. Once the process is finished, simply review your data. You can also download and export the scraped data to Google Drive.
Thank you for watching.